speakers. For this project, you will need the following materials. Check in your STEM kit to ensure that you have everything. To start, grab the 2 cups. Make a cross marking using a Sharpie. This is where we will cut a hole. Carefully use scissors to poke holes into the marked slits. If you are scared to do this process, ask your guardians for help. Perfect! Now the string. Grab the end of the string and feed it through the hole. Tie a knot on the other side of the cup. Cut off any excess string with scissors. Repeat for the other end of the speaker. If you cut your hole too big, you can do a double knot to ensure that your strings do not fall out. Cut any excess string. You are finished! You now have a cup and string speaker. Test it out with someone over long distances.